What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be bringing you guys some fun, cheap, and point of the channel mods here. So these are some moderate mods. I picked up 3 things. I'm going to do 3 different videos so it doesn't get confusing, but I'm really excited. I'm doing 3 mods in one day and I can't wait. So this is going to be video 1, and today I'm going to be showing you guys this cool little LED I found right here. It's a trunk LED. Comes with, if you can see right there, there we go, like light bulb hookups and everything. So it should be pretty easy to install. And I've been thinking about this for a while. Me and one of my friends, we actually were like, man, what if we just put some LEDs and hooked them up, you know, via the power of the trunk light, just to kind of have some cooler lighting when you open your trunk. So some cheap, some easy. I picked this thing up for, I think, $7.99, 1-day shipping, Amazon, guys. Nothing super special, but something cool. So let's get straight to the install, guys. I hope you enjoy. All right, guys, so coming up underneath in your trunk here, I'm working on my 2015 Chrysler 200, but you're gonna have a trunk light. So this is where this tool comes in handy, because it actually has some adapters to actually hook in via like a light bulb, so you don't have to splice or do anything custom. So let's go ahead and get this opened up, and then we'll see what type of light bulb we're working with. So I'm gonna do this one-handed and see how I can work my magic here, but I'm just gonna pop this open with a flathead. All right, guys, so once you drop it down, at least on my car, you're gonna get this. It's kind of a neat little housing here. It looks like before somebody had a too hot of a bulb in there or something, but it kind of just holds it in place. So you're just gonna pry up on it, and it should come right out. Just go ahead and pull that out. So coming down to here, you're gonna have your original light that you had in there, and I'm gonna open this thing up. So we've got our light here. It's got a 3M backing, and it's got the power source coming off of it like this. We've got 2 different adapters. We have this one and we have this one. So that's going to be pretty standard light bulb housings that you're going to receive in any newer style cars, or any cars in general when it comes to the trunk. So as you can see, this is my original, and we're going to go ahead and just use this one because it's going to match right up. So all you're going to do is just plug this end into this end, matching the same flow as the wiring there, so like so. And I'll clip that in, and then I'll go ahead and plug it in. All right, guys, so there you go. Once you find your placement, which I just placed mine in the middle up there. Unfortunately, I would have tucked it a little bit better, but there's like some framework here that's causing it to not really sit how I want it. And this is actually a pretty stiff LED strip. It's not really flexible. Seems pretty heavy duty in a sense. The only thing I'm not really keen about is the exposed LED, you know, lights there. But hey, I mean, for $7, there's not really much you can complain about. But it's already doing a pretty decent job lighting up the trunk. Don't mind the mess. I was doing some work, as you can tell, but it's doing a pretty decent job, and it was a cheap and very easy mod to do, guys. So for my 200, guys, with this here, it's going to be kind of hard to tuck this away depending on where you place it, but you could probably find a better spot. And the wires in here are really, you know, loose in a sense, so you really want to make sure that you find a good spot to keep it held in place strong. So I'm gonna go ahead and like tape that up a little bit better once I'm done here. But there you go, guys, $7, and that's a quick and easy, cheap trunk mod. Comes in multiple colors. Link will be in the description below, and I'll get you guys a couple of nighttime shots here in a little bit. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the nighttime shots, and check out the other 2 videos of the mods I'm going to be doing today. This is going to be the more cheap. This is the cheapest one for sure, and the easiest and quickest one to do as well. So any car, cheap mods. So hope you guys enjoyed. Until the next one, peace.